Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with damp, towel-blotted hair because moisture helps the oil spread and lock color. Take 2-4 drops for short hair, 4-8 for long or thick hair. Warm the oil in your palms to thin it. Once done, run your fingers through mid-lengths to ends. Make sure to avoid the scalp if your roots get greasy. This step seals cuticles and reduces fading, which preserves color vibrancy while adding shine and manageability. You now need even distribution to ensure consistent color protection. Apply remaining oil focusing on mid-lengths to ends and comb through with a wide-tooth comb to eliminate pockets. If you want deeper conditioning, leave the oil in for 10-20 minutes. You can sleep on it overnight for maximum restoration. Make sure to add gentle heat, 5 to 10 minutes under a warm towel or low-heat dryer, to open cuticles and improve penetration. You finish by rinsing with cool water to close cuticles and lock in color protection, then towel dry gently. Once done, style as usual, but make sure to use a heat protectant before hot tools to avoid stripping color. If hair feels heavy or weighed down, dilute with a tiny shampoo on oily areas and rinse again. This corrects over-application without stripping benefits. Finally, for best results, repeat as a weekly treatment or after every color service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.